Right, we've come along to one of our local. We used to do this every year, didn't we?
We haven't even done it this year.
No, this is our first time.
I think at the very start.
Did we not just come along halfway and like I was a bit knackered, so we had to come back.
So we went back.
Aye.
But
at the beginning of the year, I have no good problems, didn't I?
it's a retain for
Me fitness.
Black caps, aye.
Aye, it's just like, because at the beginning of the year, when we did come along, there was no growth, there was no...
We shouldn't say which birds, because we'll probably...
And I will not even see them or hear them.
That year we did find 3 along here.
Aye, we did, aye. And we found the garden wobblers are run by the pond and all. Like, at the right time of the year, it is good. But then, at the beginning, like, April, and some even into May, it can be knee cover, there's knee nests, so sometimes we just...
it's a retain though.
Aye, it's perfect now.
I like the warblers.
Aye, because they're all double and treble brooded, aren't they? So probably be into the second brood by now, but that's what we want. Right, it's good. And the finches?
Aye, we'll have to go back and check that. Wait, the goldfinch.
Oh, do you know what it is? It turned out to be a chaffinch.
Was it?
Aye. Well, I've looked at the video. We haven't posted the video yet. You know, like, so the people will not know what we're talking about.
All right.
It was well hidden in the elder, wasn't it?
I mean, this will go on after that, isn't it?
Aye.
Aye, but in the elder, but I'm sure they look whitish, the eggs, when you can see them on the little screen.
They've got like the big blotches on, and the nest's dark inside. You know, like how a goldfinch will be light inside, like lined with white wool, and it's quite a shallow nest compared to a chaffinch.
Screen, you just can't make it.
We couldn't tell the difference.
On the little screen, they look light, didn't it?
Mm-hmm. And the elder tree, it was like really thick, and everything just looked green inside on the video.
I was been seeing the goldfinch.
The goldfinches were there, so that had me totally surprised. But when I got the camera above the nest and looked back on the computer, you could see it was a chaffinch, like. But still, though.
Well, in that video, we'll be saying it's a.
I know.
Goldfinch.
I've got a short video with it now, but on the short video, I do say I put the title down as being a chaffinch, but even though I'm sure I said like on the video that it is a goldfinch with eggs.
Well.
But you could hear them in the background, you know, so you could hear the goldfinches.
Oh,
so it kind of had me stumped.
It was just on the little screen, it just looked.
Aye.
Chaffinches are quite.
Because the nest was probably about 8 or 9 foot up. We had to lift the camera up on the tripod, and you're looking at a little 2-inch screen, like 3 foot away from you. You know, that was the trouble with it.
Well, we'll find another one.
Aye. But still, I was quite pleased, even if it was just a chaffinch, because the ones good fun this year, they've had chicks, haven't they?
I was looking at something there, I think it was just a great.
It's just jumped up into there. It came out of that thorn and went into that.
Right, we'll have a circle along here, all this rambling that further. Right.
Hopefully. Right, we've come into this field with all this like shrubbery stuff.
We had one looking here last year.
Aye.
Because I had to come in by myself and I found an old goldfinch somewhere in one of
It was just in there, wasn't it?
We never found out like that day.
No, we went right through there and all up the hill.
I often see the birds flying around, but the other birds, but we're not going to say too much, just these little few, yeah.
Aye, it's torn out red hot.
Standing here in the open, it is pretty hot, isn't it?
Aye.
You didn't feel as much once you're in the trees.
No, there's a nice cool path in there.
Aye, well,
I can hear goldfinches up there, mind.
I bet that's what I'm saying, this is why we often come in, because you always hear them and see them, but we'll never see they've got a couple of places.
Oh, that's where you found the old one just there. So we're gonna check all this out and check all these small thorns and all, because it's for the bullfinch, chaffinch, just everything really. Aye.
We'll find out, we'll stick the camera.
Aye. Put the camera back on, we're in like, just in this privet here.
I was going to say privet in it.
Aye.
There's a nest in the back that looks, you can see all the stuff on the top.
I can see it, aye. It does look like either a goldfinch or a chaffinch, doesn't it? The right size. Aye. Come on, get the camera over the top. I couldn't see note on the viewfinder. I'll try again. 'Cause I didn't.
Definitely looks like it's been.
Like old and
destroyed,
used. I've turned the viewpoint a bit better. I think there's an egg in there. Ah, there is. I'm 100%. Have a look on the screen, yeah.
Okay. What does it look like? There.
I could see it in the corner, the top.
I think I can see it.
I'm not. There's reflection down and on. I'll have a quick look. Oh. The problem is fledged and it's a dud egg. But I'll have a quick
Because the
check.
nest looks a bit messy, doesn't
It does, aye. Right, I'll put the camera back on. That nest up there, we're not sure.
Didn't have an egg in it though, did it?
No, it didn't have an egg in it. But just as we're coming up there, Philip spotted this in here. It's the platform of a nest there on building.
Do you think it's on building or?
It looks like it, aye. It's. Oh no, it's not out.
We would best leave it, mate.
Aye.
You know, so sure.
I can actually hear a little warbler in the back there.
Oh well.
I'm just hoping we're pleased you spotted that one. I can hear the little. I don't know if that's a chip chap.
So that nest then had any ideas?
I was looking at it thinking it was a goldfinch's, but it's all lined with feathers and it looks different completely. I'd look to see what that little bird is, you know, just that could be the one that's building. So we're standing back here and watch see the gang going. Aye, I just hope we haven't, like, because it was right next to the pathway I was ganning in and all. I'm hoping I haven't destroyed it. Because when it's been on building, it could, like, gan and build another one. If I've destroyed it by accident. But we'll give that a week and come back to it. And
We'll have a look.
aye. Now the birds moved, I think it's went quiet.
You what?
The birds moved a bit further around. Oh.
There's a fat privet gangs right in the back one, mate.
It's quite big, aye.
Look in the back there.
That could even be like a little black cap or a garden warbler or something, you
Have a
know.
look on the back, but not.
Aye.
Somewhere, you know.
Aye, we'll get off this and get into this field where it's too hot now. Oh. Right, we've just come around the back of that privet. We're going to be going away, but up the top,
Any old privet.
up the top there, Philip's just spotted this one. We're not sure if it's a bullfinch or something, but
I'm starting to see how twigs from where I was. And you know.
it's like way up the top. I've lost it. Where's it hiding? Man, the replace. Oh, it's straight through. Aye.
It's like high up.
Aye, it's through the back there. Aye.
Get it?
I know, it's going to take some digging. You just see the clump there.
Does it look like a full?
Nah, it's too small, way too small.
Does it not look like a lot of twigs though?
It is, it's like a little twiggy nest and it's got feathers in the top and that. From what I can see from here. I'll zoom in on it a little bit just so everyone can see what we're talking about. Just so I can look back on camera now. Tiny little nest. That other one down there was a little nest as well.
What?
The other one down there was quite small as well, wasn't it? I'm just wondering how I'm going to get to that. It's reeking the thick.
Because even under the end of it, you get it.
No, it's right on the tops. It's like 9 foot, maybe 10 foot up, and it's all thin. And the bird hasn't flew out, you know, so.
I can't even really get it to put the camera over the top.
No, I can't even get it anywhere near it. If I could get the camera through, I can hear people doing that. I thought my phone was going off in my pocket. I'm just going to see if I can put the camera through here. Like to get a bit closer view. Now so I can just see what Aye. Get a better idea what kind of nest it is, even if I can't see over the top. Oh, your man viewfinder shutting on us. above it, but couldn't see the viewpoint, I couldn't see now. Aye. I get a better look at it when I get back. Aye. Oh, we've come down to the pond. We've come out the field where it was too hot.
It's pretty overgrown. I mean, normally when we come up here, it's where all the reeds and that are grown.
There's a few ducks up there, like ducklings.
Mallards, are there?
Aye.
Aye, it's fairly grown since we were last year.
It's well overgrown. We normally get down into there and that and have a look. You would never find out in there now. It's no quarry ponds, it's way too deep in that.
We'll have a look at the sides, there's bits of bramble.
Aye. Everything's growing back because the other year they did cut all this
What was it we found along here a few years back?
We found the godmother.
Gordon, that was Gordon.
Aye. We found the black caps on this side. I mean, a bullfinch was like run to here somewhere.
It was just
I just run that. Aye. Yeah. And the thick brambly gorsey stuff. Well, I was here, the birds and see them, so we're going to have a good scatter run doing here. Speak of the devil. Where's he hiding? It's right in front of us somewhere. Oh yeah. Make a move so I can see you. Nope. Right. Damselfly, aren't they, the blue ones? I did see a couple, and then all of a sudden they disappeared. Oh, there's quite a few. There's the blue one, broom one, butterfly, cabbage one. Yeah. Aye, we've been doing the bottom end there, we're walking back up.
On the way back, instead of walking back, we'll walk through this little bit of wood.
Aye.
Get a bit cooler and that.
Aye. Because the old wood what we're going to walk through, like for years it looked deep, didn't it?
There's a lot of damselflies,
Aye.
Quite a few. Well, there was.
Aye, the sun shining, they look lovely when the sun shines on like that, like bright blue.
Aye, but if we walk through that wood, it would be a bit cooler and shade now, wouldn't it?
Oh, aye. Right, we're getting into the wood what we're talking about.
It's a lot cooler in here, anyway.
Oh, 100%.
Yeah, you have plenty of birds singing and that, like. But we'll see what we can find out.
It's been an old song for us or something there.
Right.
Or the blackbirds, I'm not sure. It's been this year, it's been ripped out like.
There's that path at the top, but it'd be too...
It's horrible trying to get along there. When everything starts growing, you can't get along. I know, we did find nests along there just all the time. But it gets bad when you get just that C4 along, doesn't it?
It's hard to get along.
No one uses it. It used to be good when it got used. Because it was brambles and like everything on both sides of it, but it stopped getting used. People use this one through here instead.
All these trees, they've been dead for a couple of years, these trees, because the trees always get flooded, but
it did.
It looks like it's come back to life again.
We've had a couple of dry years and it...
You even noticed that you'd walk under where somebody's been trying to make some...
I didn't even notice it, aye.
I didn't until I got through.
Aye.
They've been trying to like...
We've seen a few structures in here over the years, but that's a new one. Because I was more looking at this, this tree here. Just to see if there was out. I'm just looking for bunches of grass. Nope. Right. We've just come all the way back through that wood, come with that path there. We didn't. We're sawing out, hearing out, it went quiet. It's red hot, but I can't hear a bird.
Back the way we were when we found them little few nests.
Aye, where the field is.
Basically, and that's how we found them and what we found in. Nothing new, is it?
No.
Well, we've got to head back along the same path.
Yeah. See what we
So-
can't find.
Mm.
Got the chip chops, you can see it there. It's just flew, it was on the branch.
See it at the back.
The nest is just in here. Let's see if I can
Got
get it.
young'uns on it.
Ah,
young.
it's got chicks in there. Look at it, it's just way too tricky to see into. I might be able to get the camera in upside down. Yeah, I can see them here there. Whether you can see them, I'm not sure. I just don't want to disturb it too much. Because it's all overgrown now compared to what it was a couple of weeks ago. We found this one on building. But we just haven't been back here for a couple of weeks, so we're just going to leave it. Birds there. Right. Right. That's... We've been doing the bottom fields when it was nice and sunny. We've come up here when it was a bit dull.
We haven't fun too much today, but
Yeah. There's a few of them nests. We're not sure about them doing the bottom.
one of them looked a bit untidy as well. So
Aye.
that little bit of grass. possibly
It's like the platform of a nest. Aye. The startings of a black caps
and
or
then the other
something.
one you couldn't really.
Couldn't get over the top. I'm going to have to check it up on the computer when I get back. Aye. I got...
Calves, when the chicks we
Aye,
thought was,
there's a little... That's had food in it, some of that.
what was it?
It looked like a dunnock, you know. It's not making any noise. I did hear it now when I rattled all that, and I heard it singing back here. But I don't know.
I can't be bothered anymore with it.
No,
Yeah.
you look lying off. It's a short video, but there's a lot what we've missed.
I haven't seen that tip calf we thought was 2 weeks ago, but when I think it's been at least 3, because you saved the chicks for a coincide.
Aye. Aye, it's definitely been 3 weeks. Because we've found it on building, and it's a shame, but it makes any difference. As long as it hasn't been predated yet, that's a good thing.
Wow, the black one.
Aye.
Black one.
It is.
That was thick though, you couldn't even
You can't even get through the thing.
get in. Like,
Did you hear the bullfinches when we walked up?
you'd never get in that one.
Aye.
It'd be hard work.
Oh. Right, so we'll just call that the end of this video. Thanks for watching.